Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both your green screen clip and the background image or video. Place the background on V1 and your green screen clip on V2 so you can see both layers. Once done, trim the in and out points so you're working on the exact section you need. Make sure the sequence settings match your footage frame size and frame rate. This prevents scaling surprises later. Now you're ready to apply effects. Don't skip aligning clips first so keying behaves predictably. You'll add the Ultra Key effect to the green screen clip. Drag it from Effects onto V2. Use the eyedropper to pick the most representative green in your frame. This removes the bulk of the background. Then adjust matte generation parameters like transparency and shadow to recover subject details without reintroducing spill. Once the matte looks close, refine matte cleanup and spill suppression to tighten edges and neutralize green reflection. Remember subtlety. Big jumps introduce artifacts, so nudge sliders and watch playback. You finish by positioning and scaling the keyed subject using motion controls and effect controls so the composition reads correctly. Then apply basic color correction, match exposure, contrast, and color temperature so the subject blends with the background. Once satisfied, render the sequence for smooth playback and export using your preset. If you see jagged or flickering edges, re-examine your lighting and readjust matte cleanup. Rendering often hides transient artifacts, and balancing foreground and background light is the single most effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.